So. Oh.
Oh my God!
Earthquake! Ah!
It's a fucking earthquake!
Ah! Ah!
She didn't even wait.
Don't do something at her.
Don't jump on her. Oh my God! It's a fucking earthquake!
Y'all are horrible actors. Shake the room or something. Shake her, Damon.
Somebody shake her. Wake her up. He's trying to get the warm couch. Earthquake. It's an earthquake. 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 Oh, my stomach. The earthquake got a hold of me.
Really? China, you can sleep through an earthquake?
Yes.
But y'all's earthquake sucked, honestly.
Look, every time. Look, every time. Earthquake!
Earthquake in the booty.
Look, every time she watches that baby video, I was fucked up. That's what she's gonna say tomorrow when she watches the video. Girl, I was fucked up. I was asleep. I was so fucked up. Oh, so fucked up.
She just spit up in my hair.
Oh, no, she did.
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
No big deal. But if it were my real hair.
I'm waiting till 1 so she'll sleep all morning because she be like to wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'll be half dead in this bitch. I'll be like this.
Wide awake.
Because he slept till 2 o'clock today. And I kept trying to wake him up.
Well,
at
you